जय माँ, सबको जय माँ. Welcome to this channel, Swamiji's Kitchen. And I'm cooking all the time, making different recipes because I'm very fond of cooking. So I'm sharing whatever little bit I know with you. And I hope you're enjoying. Do let me know. Today I'm making Mumbai ka speciality, Mumbai Vada Pav. You know, Vada Pav is very famous in Bombay, in this area. So people, when they come to Bombay, they say Vada Pav khane jana hai. So they go on the streets to have Vada Pav. So I'm making that at home. I'm trying to recreate that. Okay, so have a look. I have taken 3 cups. You can take any measuring cup that you have, but 3 cups of besan. Chickpea flour, gram flour, what do you call it? Sorry. वो लिया. उसके बाद you add salt in it. Then you add little bit of ajwain. It's very good for digestion, and that's why whenever you have something fried, even paratha, you should add ajwain. It helps in digestion. So I'm adding that. Then you add this baking soda. Just a pinch. यहाँ नीचे गिरा है, मैं उठा रही हूँ. Pinch of baking soda. Now mix it. And then we have to add water to make not very thin and not very thick consistency. See. This is the consistency. Consistency दिखाओ. That way. And now you cover it and let it rest for half an hour. Bharti, I'm ready. Are you ready? Chalo, we are making thecha. For the vada pav, we have to make this green chutney. We call it thecha. So mixer में आप डालिए 4-5 हरा मिर्ची, green chilies, 1 piece of ginger, adrak, then lots of coriander leaves. चटनी उसी की बनेगी, हरा धनिया की. डालिए, उसमें पानी थोड़ा डालिए to grind it and make a nice chutney. Add salt in this. डालो. पानी डालो और डालो थोड़ा. मैं मिक्सर में कर रही हूँ, बट यू कैन डू इट इन द खलबत्ता, मोर्टर पेसल. उसमें भी बहुत बढ़िया. ग्रीन चटनी, विच इज ठेचा. सी वी हैव मैश्ड अबाउट 10 पोटैटोज. आप कितना भी ले सकते हैं, जितने लोग हैं उस हिसाब से हम लीजिए. वी हैव टेकन 10. नाउ एड ऑयल. The flame is on. उसके बाद जीरा, राई, हींग, कड़ी पत्ता, हल्दी, अदरक मिर्ची पेस्ट, and now we will add all the potatoes. One tablespoon of ginger chili paste. I'll add salt over here. shall add hara dhania. First let me put some aloo. इसको मिक्स कर दीजिए. उसके बाद एक हरा धनिया, lots of hara dhania add. Then add a pinch of garam masala. That's it. Mix. After this is done, then you add 1 चम्मच जितना नींबू का जूस and switch off the flame. Mix. So this basically is ready. Vada ka stuffing, aloo ka stuffing. So we are doing different components, you know, one by one we have to make everything and then assemble. So that is that. Keep it aside. अब इस पे है ना तेल को गर्म करने रखना है. लाइटर मेरा वाला. Now we are making the चूरा, बेसन का चूरा. कि देखो कैसे बनाते हैं. So you have nicely done with the fingers. And if you're not comfortable with this, you can do it in a strainer. You know, जैसे चाय का स्ट्रेनर होता है, उससे भी बना सकते हैं. होने दो. On high flame you have to do it. See, the chura is ready and we've done the second batch also. Have a look. With this chura we have to make a red chutney. वो दिखाती है. It's a powder chutney kind of thing. Now this chura I've taken in the mixer. Then you add red chili powder because this is slightly spicy. And then for color, take Kashmiri chili powder, which is just for color. So it looks like red. Now sometimes if you don't know, can't do the chura, then you just take a bread, you know, उसके ऐसे crumbs बना के डाल दीजिए and then put the red मिर्ची chili powder, उससे भी बनता है ये चूरा. Let's see. और थोड़ा गाढ़ा है. What a terrible noise this mixer is making. We have to do something about it. See? इसको चम्मच से मिक्स करो. चम्मच. Lovely red chutney. और थोड़ा इधर पीसो. Little bit more. It has to be coarse. एकदम फाइन नहीं होना चाहिए. Nice. देखिए, चटनी is ready. For every vada pav, we need one chili. So you have to fry the chilies like this. As many vada pavs as you have. उसको ऑयल में डाल के फिर उसको निकालिए बाहर. It will splutter, so be careful. 1 vada pav, 1 chili. It goes as a dressing. So what you do is take the chili और बीच में एक स्लिट मारिए और उसके बाद इसको फ्राई करिए. The vada. So वो आलू का जो बैटर बनाया था खीरा, वो आप दबा के ऐसे लीजिए, चपटा करके, नॉट राउंड, एंड देन यू डिप इट इन द बैटर और इसका फ्राई करिए इसको. Now flip. तो एकदम लाल हो गया. Now take it out. ये हो गया. Now the vadas are ready, the chutneys are ready, the chili is ready. Now we assemble. अब assemble करिए. वो हरा ठेचा जो बनाया था वो एक साइड पे लगाइए. ज्यादा लगाओ. सब तीखा है यार, so be careful. It's spicy. On one side will be the green chutney. Then you put the vada on it. Then the other side will be the red chutney, powder chutney. Then you put the chura on it. Dalo. This is how they do it. So I'm doing exactly that. और इसके ऊपर मिर्ची डालो और थोड़ा वो लाल चूरा और डालो. इस तरफ वड़ा के ऊपर, एंड शट इट. दबाओ. This is the pav that you need, you know, to make the vada pav. And साइड पे चूरा रखिए. साइड पे, ऊपर नहीं, साइड पे रखो. That's it. मुंबई वड़ा पाव. It's very tasty. Try it. बहुत ज्यादा टेस्टी है, you know. तो मुंबई स्ट्रीट फूड जो बोलते हैं हम लोग, वैसे बनाते हैं वो लोग. There are a lot of variations they do, but this is one of them. So try, you'll enjoy it. Let me know. Jai Ma, I'll see you next time.